Here we have an EOC problem in which we're going to be using the order of operations. At this time, go ahead and pause the video and read it to yourself. Once you've read it to yourself, you'll see that the image length is going to be represented by L, and the distance of the object from the mirror is going to be represented by O. Those are the only two that we have. The question that's asking is, what is the image length of the object, that's L, when it is 1.5 feet away from the mirror? The distance away from the mirror is represented by O. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite our formula, except instead of O, we're going to go ahead and plug in 1.5 feet. So this gives us 2 over, instead of O, we're using 1.5 minus 2 squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the order of operations. The first thing we do is parentheses. So looking at the parentheses, let's simplify everything inside the parentheses first. When we subtract the denominator of the fraction, 1.5 minus 2 gives me negative 0.5, or negative 0.5, it's the same thing. Then once I continue to simplify what's on the inside of the parentheses, 2 divided by negative 0.5, when you put that into your calculator, that gives you negative 4. So this is one of the most common mistakes I see people make. I see people multiplying these two numbers first and then squaring. The reason why we can't square it is because we have to go ahead and simplify what's in the parentheses first, but after parentheses comes exponents. So when they say parentheses, they do not mean multiply, because multiplying comes after exponents. Make sure you simplify what's in the exponents first. So that gives you 4 times 16, because negative 4 squared is going to give you positive 16. Once you simplify, your final answer is going to be 64, which is C.